Programming a key fob for your 2005 Toyota Echo is a straightforward process you can do yourself. These models use a basic radio frequency system for keyless entry. You'll need your key, access to the driver's seat, and the new or reset key fob. Here's the typical programming sequence. First, ensure the driver's door is unlocked and ajar. Second, insert the key into the ignition but do not turn it on. Third, cycle the lock and unlock buttons in a specific pattern, such as pressing lock 5 times, then unlock once, all within 40 seconds. Fourth, turn the ignition to the on position and back to lock repeatedly until the car sinks. Note that the precise number of button presses and ignition cycles can vary slightly, so consult your owner's manual or a reliable online tutorial for your Echo's specific trim level. Remember, timing is critical for success. While DIY programming usually works, potential issues can arise. Always use a new CR 2016 battery in the fob and ensure aftermarket fobs are frequency matched for proper function. If programming fails, a corroded receiver module or a faulty door ajar sensor might be the cause. Check these components first. Be aware of potential cloning vulnerabilities in RF-based systems, particularly in high-theft areas. Consider aftermarket immobilizers or security enhancements for added protection. While key fobs may be obsolete by 2030, repairing them extends their lifespan. If you encounter persistent problems, a Locksmith Toyota dealership can provide professional assistance, costing $50 to $150. According to statistics, DIY attempts have an 88% success rate versus 98% professionally.